Hey, my name is Dr. Chelle. Welcome to the Dr. Test Prep YouTube channel. I'm so thankful that you care enough about yourself to learn everything you can about Desmos to help you be the best that you can be on the PSAT and SAT. Honestly, if you understand the Desmos calculator the way that I'm teaching you, you will do so much better even if you don't know all the details of the math behind it. Years ago, it mattered that you knew that. Now we're really testing, do you know how to use math tools correctly? So we're looking at Unit 6, Lesson 5 from Khan Academy, which is Solving Systems of Linear Equations. Their site is amazing, and they don't focus on the Desmos calculator like my series does. Let's look at question number 4. If you have my book from Amazon, shameless plug, $14.95, we're on page 111. If you don't have time to get my book or don't want to buy it, you don't have to. Get a notebook. Here we go. Given the following system of equations, what is the value of x plus y? So we're first going to have to get a coordinate, and then we're going to add it up. So the x plus y really of the solution. Okay, so we're going to just type it in. Negative 3x plus 2y equals 5. 5x minus 6y equals negative 11. So the solution is where they intersect. So our point is negative 1, 1. And we just add it up, and you probably already know they cancel each other out. Negative 1 plus 1 is just 0. All right, sidetrack. Hello. Let's look at number 5. In the systems of equations below, C is a constant. For what value of C does the system of linear equations have infinite solutions? We get to use my slide tool again. You know, I'm going to say it's mine, and we know it's not mine, but I love the slide tool. 3/4, use the arrow key Y, plus 2x equals 12. Just type in the C. Cx plus 3y equals 48. And yes, we want the slide tool. So first we're going to zoom out, and it says we want it to have infinite solutions. So we're going to move the slide tool for C until the black line is on top of the purple line. And if we get a decimal, we're going to round and then double check the equation. So if I move this way, that doesn't really seem to be the better way. Eventually we would get there because we would rotate 180 degrees, but this way seems to be the most logical. So I have, actually, those aren't the same line. Maybe we do have to go backwards, and let's see what happens when we go backwards because they're close. Okay, so notice how we can't go further than negative 10. So let's make this say negative 20 to negative 10. And then keep going backwards. Let me see. Oh, did we hit it? That doesn't seem it. Did I? Oh, I didn't type it in correctly. See? I'm going to leave this in because I don't want to look like I know what I'm doing all the time because I don't. So 8 is the one that makes sense. Look at it. See? It's completely gone. I just typed it incorrectly. I typed it into Desmos incorrectly, and you probably were shouting at the computer the whole time. It's okay to make mistakes. All right. Now that we've done that, we know that our C value is 8. And we know that it's 8 because for that value, the black graph and the purple graph are exactly the same. Back on planet Earth. All right, let's look at this. Given the following system of equations, what is the value of x minus y of the solution? Okay, let's say from the solution. All right, let's type it in. As ugly as that is, I'll extend this out so we have a little bit more space. We have 5x plus 4y minus 3 equals 2y plus 3x minus 11. And I'm going to hit the home button first. Now we can see the graph. Let's type in the next one. Negative 6x plus 3y equals negative 3. And so the solution is negative 1, negative 3. And they want us to subtract it. So we've got negative 1 minus negative 3. You probably know it means add, but let's just type it in and you get the answer is x minus y will equal 2. All right, before you watch my next video, which I really want you to do, of course, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, but most importantly, head back over to Desmos, please. When you're over in Desmos, I would like you to please do the Unit 6, Lesson 5 problems, practice problems, just to make sure that you've learned how to use it, but use the Desmos calculator like I showed you. Okay. After that, if you have orange on the next section, then please come back and watch Unit 6, Lesson 6, or watch whatever orange video you need to. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go and watch the 4 pillars video and watch the con and implementation video to know what I'm talking about. All right. That ends this video. When we come back, we'll go over systems of linear equations word problems. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.